9 tips to make the best smoothies in the world. 1. Blender. It goes without saying that the best blenders are those that produce the creamiest, smoothest smoothies. But don't give up hope, if you can't afford those expensive blenders. You can still make amazing smoothies with blenders that cost only $20 to $50. 2. Frozen fruit. Frozen fruit sweetens your smoothies and adds beneficial vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. A #1 guaranteed winner is always frozen bananas. You can also freeze apples, corn cut into chunks, pineapples, papayas, kiwis, oranges, peaches, grapes, watermelon, mangoes, pears, etc. Bonus tip, are you ready for this? You can freeze your kale, spinach, and other green vegetables. 3. Always add one vegetable, preferably green. Put a handful of spinach, cucumber, or arugula for a chlorophyll boost for more energy and glowing skin. Embrace your health and embrace the green color because green means you are a smoothie boss. 4. Plant protein powder. Purchase a premium protein powder. The protein added to your smoothie makes it energy sustaining for a longer period of time. Additionally, when correctly balanced, it gives your smoothie more balance and counts as a liquid meal. 5. Liquid base. The best gracious living smoothies use one of these 3 types of liquids. A. Water. B. Dairy-free milks. C. Herbal teas, if you have time. 6. Spices. Spice it up a little. Cinnamon, ginger, cardamom are always everyone's favorites. 7. Thickness. The best tasting smoothies are thick, like healthy ice cream or frozen yogurt. 8. Avocados. Avocados always make your smoothies incredibly, delectably divine. Avocados are technically a high-fat fruit, so use only 1/3 to half an avocado per smoothie. 9. Superfoods. Start incorporating superfoods into your recipes to improve nutrition and safeguard your organs, brain, and heart. Other superfoods that deserve honorable mentions: goji berries, lucuma, acai, fresh aloe vera, pomegranate, raw cacao nibs, and many more.